Hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog. So today we are going to KSR Global Aquarium. This place is located in Kesari near Danoli village in Sindhudurg district. Entry fee was rupees 100 for above 15 years old and ticket price up to 3 years is absolutely free. As we enter, this is the most amazing entrance waterfall with Japanese koi fish which will bloom up your mood. In this video, you will get to see a lots of birds and animals. So this is me and my bestie Macrina having some fun with these buddies. Hi Baba! ना त्याचा भाव फक्त तांबडी भाजी खाता लुडीन मम्मीच्या पोरसातली हाडून जाय असलेली ना तांबडी. Then it's the go see right there. Let's hop in. Again, this is the most amazing view with a good location, and it is in the heart of Kesari village, which is very unique and amazing at the same time. So now we are entering the aquarium. You can witness here the beauty of marine life, which feature colorful fish and rare sea creatures. Perfect place to take your kids for some fun and educational knowledge. Out of this others visit this place with your friends and family. So we are at the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.